Saya mangana majense mo yabono margoba itogo chaka kuruase kaunti ya Kisii aneme yomuchobo songa sekriya bawakili na boyo haba igiribo manyabanto bakorokorobe kanago ikasobisi yomu county commissioner nimeye kaunti ya Kisii asoko nyara komochia obokori boyo omo mutenili asensemo yendemero ase kaunti ya Kisii omanyikatabuna Charles Ayienda kolengana bawakili gosaba igiriya buni kobate abuna Charles Ayienda nigaroka negotumeka obisi ya senjire tabwenreti asoko bwatera na maintenyi geteri konyara koliana niya abantu banda maremo asabono bagani getambo kerege tindi na kogania Charles Ayienda anyari wako isiko korwa ase ekerogekyo goza sobora ibogotenera amangana yendemero ase county ya Kisii nabo asogote makomekero mu county commissioner igobono batanyara kumwekera ase kwenda mu county commissioner Kilonzo abakago na borobo buno mulikito agotumanya senchira yobwikirano Sikoye chia bisicho mo county commissioner ime county ya Kisii.
Ayienda must go! Ayienda must go!
Hasaba wakiri korwasi county yo banyara ko bakorobekana na kumugania omotenerwe chindemero me county ya Kisii. Charles Ayienda anyara ko bakwerusi obisi kubatakana bokoreri bwaye obobe.
Now our practitioners in Kisii county are having a problem accessing services at the Kisii Lands Registry. Since the new land registrar came in, we've been having issues to do with service delivery and even simple things like acquiring a search and a green card. It has become a challenge because of the procedures being put by this new land registrar. We've been trying to reach the land registrar. He's not answering to our summons. We organize meetings with him. He's not honoring the same. And that is why we decided to petition the land registrar to implement a list of demands on which we have put in this petition here.
We have had problems lodging documents in the registry as outlined in our petition. We have had problems accessing the land registrar. He told us there's a form you need to fill and you will be given an appointment. And we have also had a problem with most of these issues we realize here, also touching on our practices, that the land registrar is basically locking advocates out of these conveyance procedures. We don't have access to him. When you come to the registry, there must be a loophole, one way or another, where you will be returned back to your office.
Magaya bawakiri abugo ikirana ase abisi yo county commissioner nigo mo county commissioner talinga service yae asabanyara ko bakomomera o mokonyoye Wilberforce Kilonzo uyonyara ko baka ko bategera nabo igo koira ebirero bya bawakiri abo
are not being trickling down to the purpose of it. Now, the reason for us to stand here, Deputy County Commissioner, we cannot bury our heads in the sun. We have to be wise before, not after the event. We are not looking at a situation where we want regrets. We want Kisii County to continue soaring in success in matters of conveyancing, in matters of land, in matters of justice.
Asoko murungani kwabo nigo abawakiri babwatayo yokwana
Months which we want zikuwe implemented immediately because service delivery is their core mandate, not to put challenges for the members of the public who are represented by advocates.
Bring this certified copy to this lands registry, you are being told no, go and bring the original. You see? And now this is something that has been certified by the Kenya Gazette as a true copy. What we are basically saying is there are necessary hurdles. It has been hard to work with the current regime. I think it's been around here for a month or two.
Magaya bakiri abo igokorwa service yo county commissioner goikirana ase abisi ya Charles Ayienda niganyara ko baga ko bairaneria senjire tabwerereti ase go bagendera ko bakogechigwa na komukania nyara ko bagwetigia emere mogosanyara ko bakorusiwa ase county ya Kisii
tike Ayienda oyo twabwate amalalamiko gore aya igachire gasi muno mu bisabwe serikali igachire gasi ekere etaneti chinsanya cyamabi na ekere ikiranire okoirane rikwaye nkwarenge muna birengerere byaba advocate eyuero monyene arumu advocate ore obwate orikiri na Law Society of Kenya ogosaba gweito nokomo na bali bakorire ayataigo ikerani kuruchinse mo chinde chense ya Kenya ebagotugutugo cha Gusii bacha gusali
Kuripotera gataseni Ndizi TV kuri county ya Kisii Eliterane Josephat Hamesi.